Hi everybody, it's Russell here. Today I wanted to talk to you about the Caravan. Not so much the Caravan as itself, but I wanted to talk to you about this. 6 kilo propane Calor bottle. Now there seems to be a global shortage of these. I've literally looked everywhere. I phoned up about 8 or 9 different places trying to get one, and I just literally say, hi, have you got any Galagas? I need a 6 kilogram bottle. And they're like, no mate, we haven't got any of them. I'm like, do you know anyone who's got one? And everyone's like, no, you'll be lucky to find one. So it's just a quick one for you guys out there with caravans and who's hoping to go out this summer. If you think you're low on gas, go and get it now. Or if you think you can get hold of some gas, make sure you get it early, because there is a massive shortage for the gas at the moment. And I don't want anyone else to be caught out like me. I've been trying for 2 weeks now, and we're going out on Saturday, and I don't think we're going to be having any gas. I am going to try and see if there's anything I can do to get some this week, and if not, I'm going to see if I can change the connectors over briefly for, say, maybe the barbecue gas, and run that off of it, maybe change the pipe over the connection, but we'll have a look. All right guys, thanks for watching and good luck. Get your propane now while you can. Take care.